Can your luggage survive the ultimate travel challenge? 30 seconds. Old suitcase versus Delzy Paris. Chatelet Air 2.0. Let's go. First test. Extreme impact. Drop both from shoulder height. Old suitcase cracks. Delzy's polycarbonate shell stays flawless. Next, maneuverability race. Zigzag through obstacles, timer starts. Old wheels jam. Delzy's double spinner wheels glide effortlessly. Security check. Try opening both with a pen. Old zipper pops. Delzy's Securitech zip stays locked tight. Freshness test. Pack gym shoes inside both. Wait 10 seconds. Old case, yikes. Delzy's Silvador lining keeps it fresh. Delzy wins every round. Style, security, and smooth travel. Travel elegantly and stress-free. Choose Delzy Chatelet Air 2.0 now. People are loving this. Just long press on the link in the description below to explore reviews, details, and deals.